Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So, we are back again, and I am so happy and so grateful that a lot of you are receiving my videos in such a positive manner. And it only is, making me feel more motivated to create more videos for you. So, please keep supporting me and please keep on, telling me that certain messages have resonated to you. I read all of your comments, I check all of the comments, and I really feel like your support will help me push forward and forward and forward. So, yes, I have seen that a lot of people have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet. So, please do so. Only 5% or 10% of my entire viewers have subscribed. So, please do subscribe. And also press the bell icon. I have not mentioned this, but I do upload like videos at odd hours, so it's better that you're able to get a bell icon notification so that it is you are getting notified of when I'm uploading if you're interested. So, yes, without any further ado, today's topic is again, I'm very indecisive, so I ask you guys to do the job for me. So, life becomes very easy when you just have people to delegate it to. So, I asked you guys to, on my community post on YouTube, to tell me which topic I should cover. And again, such a close call. There was 52% of the people who voted for no contact reading and 48 for career reading of the rest of the year for the rest of the year. So I think we have to go with democracy, and I'm going to be doing a no contact reading for everybody who's watching this. And maybe next video will be a career reading for sure. I know everybody's waiting for a career reading. Too much love has happened, so let's do career reading in the next video. And yeah, there will be like in this video, I am going to be covering specifically for no contact energies or people who are in a separation, and we will talk about their energies. Will they reconnect? Is it okay for you to go back to them, or should you be reaching out? If you reach out, what, like everything, if you reach out, what is their, how will they receive that kind of an energy? And whatever extra additional information is needed, I will be telling that to you. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just get into it. I really want you guys to like kind of zone in. I think that in the previous reading, the energy was so heavy, I didn't even ask anybody to do a protection kind of a ritual, or I didn't ask anybody of you to kind of relax. So please do relax, take a deep breath, sit in a comfortable position, and just relax. Okay, don't freak out too much when I'm doing this reading. I get a little overwhelmed, but you don't have to. Okay, so yeah, let's just go ahead. Let's see. First and foremost, let's see what are, okay, wait, I need to kind of ask myself, let's see what is the current energies. Okay, what is the current energies for no contact people? This is very specific to no contact people. So if you're in a relationship already, or if you're like having a crush or whatever, not really recommended. If you're in no contact and if you're in a like separation, then this will be absolutely for you. Okay, so let's see what is their current energies and what are their current, what are they doing currently. Think about the person. I also want to connect with you guys. So think about the person that you are in a no contact energy with. Say their name. Just imagine their face in front of you. I'm getting sunset. I don't know why. I need to actually confirm all these things. I'm getting a sunset. I'm seeing babies, children, somebody from your childhood. I don't know. Somebody who makes you feel like a child. Somebody who feel comfortable with, safe with. I'm seeing wings as well. Angelic energies. Purple color I'm seeing. Pink color I'm seeing. This person is an earth sign. This person could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You could be a Libra. You could be an Aquarius. You could be a Gemini. This person, sorry, this person could be having a husky voice. It could be a woman also. Okay. This person has always been a rebel. Okay. This person hates being boxed. Um, or it could be you as well. I think this is an energy where both of you feed off of each other, where you have this kind of a need to kind of do more, and this person actually has pushed you to get out of your box. So maybe there is like you are a little more into a zone of not being able to say it outward, and this person in your life, they have the energy to push you ahead. This person could have tattoos as well. This person is very particular about karma. Like this person that you are in a no contact with are very, they must have given you a lot of lessons about do good to people if you want good to be done to you. So they're very particular about karma, which is very very funny, because I'm getting an energy where let's see, I don't want to speak immediately, but they are very particular about how their energies work, and they are very particular about not doing anybody wrong, because what if something bad happens to me, kind of an energy, right? So yeah, that is what I'm getting. Anything else? This could be a number 7, Mulang Bhagyang, or 4 or 2 or 6. Okay, you on the other hand could be, you could be a 1, you could be an 8, you could be a 5 as well, and you could be a 7 as well. Okay, so that is what it is. Or you could be born on these date of on specific date of births, right? Anyway, coming back, let's talk about now that we have connected to the energies. Let's talk about let's talk about their current energies. Whoa. I don't know why I'm getting a sense of loneliness in this person's energies. I think they are doing well in their life. They're at the top of their position, but they are very lonely. It's like they're feeling lonely at the top. They are having a lot of worries in their life right now. I feel like they're trying to find happiness. They are trying to find, like, I don't know, I'm getting this energy where they're trying to distract themselves. There is an energy where they're trying to travel a little bit, or go to clubs, go to parties or whatever, to be able to distract themselves from some kind of a negativity that they're going through. They're also like suddenly becoming very religious, suddenly becoming very spiritual, because of some kind of a problems that are happening in their life. I will talk about what that problem is, but let me look at the current energies. They're like totally focused in their own life. I don't know why I'm getting this energy where they've even started to pick up few hobbies, new hobbies, or they're trying to pick up few skills, because there is like so much of stress and worry that is in their life that they're trying to kind of distract themselves. Certain things are unhealthy, certain things are healthy. I think they're also kind of using um they're also trying to kind of understand. I don't want to say understand, but they're trying. I think they're, I don't know why I'm getting this energy where they're trying to get to understand older people. Like they're getting more connected to older people, like literally old people जो होते हैं ना, like बुजुर्ग, उनसे ज़्यादा connection उनको they are trying to connect more with them, or they are trying to take more advice from them. I'm also getting this energy where they are going to these like to those people who do katha pandals, and who speak, who give sermons basically. भगवान के जो sermons होते हैं ना, उनमें भी ज़्यादा भरोसा करने लगे हैं. Suddenly this person has become very religious. I'm getting this energy, and is using that as a distraction. Now what are the stresses? Let's talk about that. Yeah, I feel like this person is having a dual energy where they're using partying and enjoying with their friends and drinking alcohol as a means of escapism, as well as religion and spirituality as also means of escapism, so that they don't feel bad about it, right? It's also like, I feel like this person has an extreme addictive personality, where this person can go into one side very 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 extremely, and another side very very extremely. So if they want to be fit, and I also got a gym buff energy, so this person could be into fitness, or has suddenly become very health conscious, and they become like, and that becomes their entire personality. मतलब इनकी एक लाइफ स्टाइल इनकी पर्सनालिटी बन जाती है, right? And with you also they had a specific personality. I will talk about that in the later part of the reading. They're trying to spend time with the family, but they feel very lonely. They're not able to connect with their family, or they feel left behind. They feel very left behind right now. I'm getting so many cups, but I'm also not able to get any wands, no swords. मतलब cup and wand energy में ही है. They're kind of questioning whether they want to trust their instinct or their gut. And actually, that is a big reason for why they're feeling so emotionally distressed. I think that they are not able to speak their mind. They are feeling a sense of, I'm getting this energy where this person is dealing with no movement. कोई movement ही नहीं है ना like कोई आगे ही नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं. ठीक है, this person is doing well for themselves. Even if they are doing well for themselves, like so called career में अच्छा कर रहे हैं, but they're not able to feel that growth. They're not able to sense that growth energy within them. Do they miss you? Let's see that. Does this person miss you? Actually, does this person miss you right now? They're going through some financial struggles. I'm getting this energy. And I feel like there are some problems. There are temporary problems in their life, but it's very, very, like, it's creating a disharmony in their own self. Like, छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स इनको खुद इरिटेट कर रही हैं. सॉरी, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट वेदर दे मिस यू और नॉट, बट दिस इज व्हाट इज कमिंग टू मी. I'm getting this energy where they are either looking like they're looking for some kind of a commitment, and I'm not just talking about a relationship. They're wanting somebody to commit to them. Like maybe they have a business idea and कोई commit करने के लिए आना चाहिए, कोई invest करने के लिए आना चाहिए, or they have an idea or business idea and somebody like they are expecting somebody to kind of take it up on board and come on board with them, or some kind of a commitment they are asking. And this is not, I'm not getting a relationship commitment here. I'm getting a financial or a business or a career commitment from here. Let's see what are their energies, like what is the energy that I'm seeing for you guys. I don't think that they miss you in a like in a conventional manner. I think what I can see here is that they miss the kind of energy that you brought into their life with regards to making them productive. I feel like this person like really was taking your support when it comes to being very productive in their own life, and to be able to draw boundaries, to be able to do the right thing in their career. I think you have supported a lot in their career. I think you've also helped them financially. I think that this person was really uh completely directionless when it came to what their goals are, what their next step is in their life. And I'm also getting this energy where this person uh like I feel like you were okay like teaching this person what boundaries are. You were teaching this person actually how to not be used by people, and how to, I also feel like this person had a lot of problems with feeling happy in themselves and being able to rejoice their own successes, and you would celebrate their successes. Like you would be like, okay, that's really good, congratulations, we should go out and we should, like, this person had a very low threshold of what was their worth. Like they couldn't recognize their worth, and they would think that everything that they do would be like something like was negligible. So I'm getting this energy where you made this other person understand what it means to be like not successful, but what it means to be able to celebrate your own successes, whether they are big, whether they are small. You were the one who made them look at life in a more positive way, right? In a not in a nihilistic manner, not in a negative manner, not in a manner ki ha there's so much more to do, but to be able to look back and say that itna kar liya hai maine, and there's so much that I have achieved that I never imagined I could achieve. So that is what is coming to me. um what was your dynamic, like what was your relationship with each other? Let I want to talk about that as well. Don't worry, we will talk about whether this person is going to commit to you or not, don't worry. But I want to talk about your relationship as well, like how your relationship was. Oi, 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 oi. I told you, right? I got the boundaries card. Like you have really taught this person how to hold their ground and how to not be violated by people. मतलब आपने उनको ये सिखाया कि भाई use मत हो किसी से भी. And like somewhere in this relationship, it kind of turned it like, now I understand. Like it suddenly turned like उन्होंने, आपने जो उनको सिखाया है कि भाई बाउंड्रीज रखो, ये रखो, उन्होंने उस चीज को आप पे इस्तेमाल कर दिया. You taught them not to be like to be having a really strong boundary, and now they have put up a wall in front of them. And it's like whatever you taught them, it's like they have done it against you. It's like now you are kind of, they're not allowing you in. मतलब बहुत ही मतलब आपको दूर कर दिया है. I don't know, I'm getting this energy where they were fearing of getting hurt, and that's why they distance themselves from you. I don't know, I'm getting this energy. They had a lot of fear with regards to being able to, like, they thought that everybody is their enemy. I'm getting this energy like they thought that everybody is coming to hound them, pound them. वो थोड़े perpetual fear में रहते हैं, I think. And that's why they kind of pushed you away as well. They couldn't trust the fact that you were there to support them. They thought that there is some kind of ulterior motive that even you have. What else? How was your relationship? They thought that you were with them for some kind of an external factor. Like they thought that you were with them because of their, like, I don't know, I'm getting this energy where they never thought that you loved them. They always thought that you were, okay, I'm going to say this, okay? They thought that you were there because they were a future proof. This person thought, the person you're in a no contact with, this person thought that the reason why you're with them is because आपका future protected है, आपका future protected है, or this person could be a provider, this person could be like, because I've got the king of swords, king of cups, emperor also. So they thought that you don't love me for who I am, you love me for who I can become. And that was like something which was a pain point for them, कि you don't want me to be like, they thought, okay, उनको लगता था कि you are not here to love me for my current scenario, for my current downtrodden energy. You are here because you know that I'm a safe bet. Do you get it? I don't know if it is going to resonate. I really am not, I'm not sure about this at all this time. Let me know if this makes sense. But I'm getting that energy. That's why this person was so like untrustworthy. Like this person, आप कितना भी कोशिश करो इनका ट्रस्ट जीतने का, ये आपको ट्रस्ट करते ही नहीं थे या कर ही नहीं पा रहे थे. And they thought that you're choosing them because of what they are bringing to the table, but not for what they are eating on the table right now. um wow, okay. You held on to this relationship so hard. मतलब आपने तो मतलब लिटरली आप उनकी मदर बन गए थे या फादर बन गए थे. आपने इतना इनको रेस्क्यू किया है. मतलब इन एनी गिवन मोमेंट यू हैव प्रूव्ड योर लव टू देम, यू हैव प्रूव्ड योर अफेक्शन टू देम. उसके बाद ना यू लिटरली वर लाइक यार अब मैं अगर if this is the time where this person is not able to recognize my love, then maybe it's not my problem, right? I feel like you have literally, you ensure that this person is able to look at the big things. You ensure that this person is able to climb the mountains that this person is afraid of even looking at. You ensured that you push them to do something. Like you like initially I told you that this person is the one who pushes you and this person is the one. I think it's ulta, right? You were the one who were the rebellion energy, and this person was the one, sorry, who was so scared to take that leap of faith, and you were like, no, I am there, push, go for it. Like you were always there to kind of make this person be a better version of themselves. And guess what, it turned out to be that they are not even able to see you on that same energy as they are being pushed to. आप इनको बोल रहे हो कि you have that kind of a vibration, you're supposed to reach there, but they're not able to see you there. Like you're making them reach a high peak in their life, but guess what, they're alone on that peak because of their own insecurity. you know I hope this makes sense, because I'm really really getting this internal feeling. Yeah, you tried so hard, it just at one point of time it just didn't even feel natural. एक टाइम पे आपको लग रहा था कि यार यू आर द ओनली वन हु इज हैंडलिंग दिस रिलेशनशिप. एंड आई थिंक दैट यू आर नॉट अ पर्सन. मैं एक चीज बोलूंगी, आप ऐसे पर्सन नहीं हो जो अंधे हो प्यार में. You are a person who realizes and recognizes when you're being used. You recognize that when a person is actually trusting me and when I'm just wasting my time. Like you are not a child, you're not a baby, and you're not a emotionally frazzled unhealed person. You knew that at one point of time you're kind of settling into this. You knew that at one point of time this is not right for you, because it's almost giving you like you can see the cracks, and you're like, before it shatters me, let me just accept the situation. मतलब आप ऐसे नहीं हो जो like you're not a person who would kind of hold on to this even if it is breaking you in. Like it's breaking you from within and you're not going to let it completely shatter you. So you recognize that this is something that is ये नहीं समझेंगे. Like this person is not going to understand. I'm getting so much of energy of wealth and like pentacle energy and cup energy and all that. It only goes to show that maybe this person was thinking that you're a gold digger, maybe, or maybe this person. And it's so funny because this person had no gold. तो क्या मतलब, it's like, yeah, this person could use me for the money that I might have in the future, when you are the one who is helping this person. Wow, very funny. I'm getting that energy very strongly. You made this person like, it's like you got this person to focus on their work. At one point of time they were not even willing to go to the work that they were doing. घर पे बैठे रहते थे, कुछ नहीं काम करते थे. You were the one who like kind of woke them up, made them coffee, like not made them coffee, but you were the one who would push themselves. Like it was like at one point of time you didn't even care about whether this person loved you. It was like whether this person is able to just show up to the things that they're supposed to show up. Well, literally at one point of time you became their aya, you became their postman, you became their maid, you became their caretaker, you became their babysitter, and still it was unsuccessful. Like still there was a broken knot. And it wasn't even like you doing it for any ulterior motive. It's like आप क्यों नहीं समझ सकते थे कि मेरा प्यार कितना रियल था. आपको क्यों ऐसे लगा कि after doing all of this, yet you were not able to understand the love that I have for you. When you were not even, उनको लग रहा था कि you're doing all this so that you could count them. You could count it at the end. I did this for you. But if you're not able to even recognize and acknowledge, this is what a thankless person looks like. A thankless person is the one who thinks that somebody owes them all of this. Why? Why do you think that somebody owes you all of this? And you realize it soon enough. Like I feel like you realize this kind of an energy very soon, that this person is not able to recognize. Let's see now. Okay, enough of this. Let's see whether this person will ever be able to understand what you did for them. क्या इनको कभी भी सद्बुद्धि मिल पाएगी? Will this ever be an energy where this person could regret? Let's see. Or if there's any other information that I need to know. I feel like it's like you are not broken. listen, whoever is watching this video, you're not broken. You have, you have let it go. Yeah, you care about this no contact energy, but somewhere internally you knew that you were not at wrong at all, and that gives you the inner peace. It's like you are able to sleep well at night because you knew that your intentions were always right. Somebody else had to misunderstand your intentions is not your prerogative, because हर person के अपने अपने खुद के demons होते हैं जो उनको fight करने होते हैं. And as long as you knew that you were at the right, you don't really, it doesn't matter to you. You never, and I'm sure that even after the no contact breaking, you never went back to explain yourself and भीख नहीं मांगी आपने. Yes, you try to ask them how they're doing, what they're doing, but you never said that no, you misunderstood me, take me back, I'll show you what like, you never did that, because you were never you were like, why do I need to explain this to somebody? If I have to explain this to somebody, then is it real love? Like, I feel like crying. I feel like crying because this is such an emotional reading. But yeah, I feel like, again, like in your life also, like you have made a lot of progress, like you have ensured that you move and do better in your life and be able to progress. And it is very hard, like it was very hard, because this came as a big shocker to you. When this person kind of ended it suddenly, did this person end it in a polite manner? How did this person end this? Yeah, this person actually really like ruin, like एक friendship भी नहीं छोड़ी इन्होंने, एक friendship ही रख लेते अगर कुछ नहीं तो एक some kind of a, like some kind of a memory only you would have kept of the bond that you guys shared. वो भी नहीं छोड़ा. Like everything was just wiped off. One fine day they just have left you and blocked you and like completely detached from you. You would go for coffee dates together. You would go to like temples together. You would write letters to each other. I'm getting this energy. You would do things that was so cute. You would like pick up like new things together. It was such a nice memory. वो memory के एक तौर पे ही रख लेते यार. And it's okay, like that happened, they broke up with you and they ended things with you, whatever. And you, in the next moment, like you are still heartbroken, I'm not saying, but you're able to accept every single day that what, it's life moves on, life goes on, and it's not your prerogative. Aapko like sorrow over a loss. See, like I feel like you're still able to kind of like move on. Wraith energy, like there is a loss that you felt and you feel sorrowful, but it's not like it's a wraith energy, right? Victory will always be your, like you will feel like aap jeete ho is energy mein, aap haare nahi ho. Don't think that you've lost in this energy. Time to act. Like again, like you have always been that action oriented person. You are the rebel. You are that lion energy. You could be a Leo, by the way. You could be a number 5 energy, number 1 energy. You never know, like you have never backed down from anything. आप ऐसे पर्सन हो जो अपने आप को कभी भी नीचे नहीं रखोगे. एंड ठीक है, ये धक्का हुआ है, that heartbreak has come to you, but you have always been like, you know what, this is not going to, I'm not going to get so bogged down that मैं एकदम ही like I go back into the teachings that I have only given to this person. I have taught this person how to draw boundaries. That will not, this situation will not make me go back into my own words. Otherwise, I'll become a hypocrite, right? So I really am so getting this such a calm energy. Like even if it is difficult and it's hitting, but externally, it's खंजर भोके जा रहे हैं आपके दिल में, right? आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि somebody is literally tearing your heart apart, but externally no activity. I'm relaxed, I'm calm, like I'm cool as a cucumber, right? That is the vibe that I'm getting from you, like so nice. Yeah, I definitely feel like you are also a person who's trying to look ahead of life, like you're trying to ensure that like you don't miss out on other things, right? You are trying to ensure that आप अपनी life अच्छे से, like not अच्छे से, but you're able to live your life the way you want to. Like you are ensuring that you don't sit and wallow in this energy and sit and आप अपने आप को देवदास नहीं बना रहे हो, which is a very good thing, because it only goes to show how mature and how smart you are when you are expecting somebody else to do that, when you are expecting somebody else to be mature. Now let's see. Let's see whether this person is going to take any action or not. And I'm trying to find a good deck. Okay, this one only I use. So let's see whether this person will be able to, like, what are the next steps of this person? Is there any kind of a realization? That is what I wanted to check. Realization. What is it that is going to happen in the future? Will they be able to take a step? Should you do something? Okay, let's see. I think this person will reach out to you again when they're in a very big problem. Oh my God. I think that this person will reach out to you again and they will be very hesitant, but it will be like a do or die situation for them. They will have no choice but for them to kind of talk to you or take your opinion or take your help. Yeah, I'm getting this energy very strongly. It again could be something about a career problem or a professional problem, or they are stuck in some professional work, or they will want some favor from you. Can you just ask this person to do this for me? Yeah, and it will be kind of like they will act as if nothing, like they will act as if nothing has happened. Like they will not be able to really understand the current situation ki kya situation hai, aap log baat nahi kar rahe ho. Like this person will kind of act very entitled. Will this person regret? Is there a regretful energy that is there? No. This person is not going to regret. This person is going to be like, yeah, I think that you know the solution for it, so can you help me? This person will be polite, I will say that, but this person will be like, this person will have that kind of an understanding that maybe she's also moved on or he's also moved on. So why the need to kind of talk about the old energies, है ना? Why to bring out गड्ढे मुर्दे क्यों उखाड़ने, ऐसा वाला energy. So this person is not going to be at all regretful. Regret energy नहीं है. But is there some kind of a empathy towards you? Let's see. I'm getting this energy where this empathy is only limited to how, like, again, like the empathy is only limited to how much you're able to help them. Ki, yeah, you have helped me so much. Can you help me with this? Like, this is a very, very, as I told you, thankless person. ये thankless behavior है कि आपको जब जरूरत पड़ी तो आपने इनको हाँ हाँ आप अच्छे हो, आपने एक्नॉलेज करा, और पूरे टाइम क्वीन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स इन रिवर्स, पूरे टाइम व्हेन दिस पर्सन वाज एक्टिंग लाइक अ ब्लडी सर्वेंट फॉर यू, सॉरी फॉर माय लैंग्वेज बट दैट इज व्हाट इट इज, you never acknowledged. This person is going to, like, yeah, whatever. What should you do in this particular situation now that they are going to talk to you? What should you do? What should your response be? Should you help them? You are going to, like, the moment this person messages you, you're going to have like such a, you will feel scared. You'll be like, oh my god, this person is coming back, all this progress that I've done is going to go for a toss. That is what you're going to think. You know what, I feel like the moment this person texts you back, you will immediately realize that you were not never compatible. You पहले तो पता ही था, ठीक है, नहीं पता था, अब कंफर्मेशन हो जाएगा. You will get a confirmation that you know what, we were never meant to be. We were never meant to be. जिस तरह से ये पर्सन एक्ट करे, शायद मैं जिससे प्यार करता था या करती थी वो कोई और ही है, वो शायद मेरे मन में ही है, वो शायद मेरे दिमाग में ही है. द पर्सन दैट आई इमेजिन दैट आई वुड हेल्प और दैट आई लव्ड was maybe a figment of imagination of me, because what the person that I'm seeing right now is a completely different person. ये जो person है मेरे सामने, हमारी vibe ही match नहीं कर रही है, हमारे thoughts ही align नहीं कर रहे. ये जिस तरह से मेरे से बात कर रहा है और कर रही है, it is not resonating to me. It's not making sense to me. You know, you will just realize that you know what, you were kind of blindsided with the good things that this person had. You will realize this the moment this person will text you or talk to you, whatever. You will realize that this person had a lot of flaws and you chose to ignore them, you chose to not to see them, you chose not to criticize this person because you know how scared or how affected they would get of any kind of a criticism. So you kind of had like rose tinted glasses with this person, and once this person communicates to you, your rose tinted glasses will come out. They will come out and you realize that I realize now why this person had so many issues in their life. Now you realize, like, now I understand. And मैं इसको सेव करती रही जब इसको खुद ही सेव नहीं होना था, जब इनको खुद ही ठीक नहीं करना था अपने आप को. राइट, लेट्स सी. Yeah, see, you will feel tied down and like really frustrated. Like I feel like this person is going to really frustrate you. आपको लगेगा क्या point है, what was the need of this? You will feel like that. It's like they're purposely trying to kind of come back into your life. They'll see you thrive and they'll be like, yaar, let me now get back to her, into her life. January is the time where you guys stop talking. Is it? Let me know. Beware of the self delusion. I swear, like this is so accurate to. I mean, मैं अपनी खुद की बड़ाई नहीं कर सकती, but मैंने आपको क्या बोला? सेल्फ डिल्यूजन में थे भाई आप खुद ही एक थॉट में थे कि दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. आपकी खुद के बबल ने आपको ब्रेक करा है. You are in no contact with the figment of your own imagination. I'll tell you that. Good that you're watching this reading. Good that you're able to recognize these things, because शायद आपको कभी पता ही नहीं होता भाई इनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है क्या नहीं है. आपको कभी, सॉरी गाइस, आपको कभी समझ में ही नहीं आता कि असलियत क्या है इन पर्सन की. सो Yeah, that is what is coming to me. Anything else that I need to? I think this person is going to communicate to you in the month of July. And save it, okay? Just save it and let me know if this person does communicate in July. See, I'm getting this energy where this person will again come back with some kind of a financial problem or some kind of a career distress. Or maybe some kind of a materialistic perspective. कि मेरा घर बन रहा है, can you help me? Like say suppose you're an interior designer, can you give me like can you recommend me who is the carpenter working with you? Or say suppose if you are a, I don't know, like a social media manager, this person will be like, okay, what do you think? Like this is my new page. Can you support it? Can you promote it? Like that kind of an energy. Yeah, you are going to cry a lot. I'm sorry, but you will really, really cry a lot. Like I can see a lot of sorrow here. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. मैंने क्या बोला था भाई? Shit, man. Sorry, I'm saying these words, but you got your answer. Understood ना? Do not be tempted to lower your standards. That is what I'm trying to tell you since the start of the reading. कि आपको लगेगा कि this is the person who is the one for you. क्योंकि maybe this person has been able to give you the kind of happiness. But you know what? You are the person. You are the one who is giving you happiness. आप इस रिलेशनशिप में खुद इतने इन्वॉल्व ही नहीं बोलूंगी, आप इतने अच्छे थे ना इस रिलेशनशिप में कि आपने, like, you were the entertainer in this relationship. You were the one who was doing everything. You were the one who was calling the shots. हम बोलते हैं ना कि this, the phrase, right? Democracy is for the people, by the people, of the people. This relationship was for you, by you, and of you. मतलब डिफिकल्ट रीडिंग्स में भी मैं कैसे हंसी मजाक वाले बात कर लेती हूँ, मानना पड़ेगा. Okay, last energy that I don't want to get it too detailed because I have to go. Actions have consequences. I've got that energy. And I'm getting an energy where things will align into your life ultimately. Like, I think that this person will get the consequences of their actions. I don't want to talk about their karma. But what I feel is like whatever has happened to you, it will align one day. Don't worry. Don't be upset. Don't be upset. I don't want you to be sad at all. You know that this is an energy that ये लेसन है आपके लिए, लेसन की तरह लो एंड मूव ऑन. दिस पर्सन कुड हैव देयर नेम विद SRTUAMNDKLP, or you might have these letters in your name. Okay, so yeah, if you need any more like affirmation of this is your reading, ye le li. And yeah, I think you will be able to recognize this. I think you will be able to recognize this. I think, you know what, I feel like this is a realization that you'll have, that you know what, you have been betrayed very badly. Betrayal का energy, betrayed very very badly. And betrayal, देखो, betrayal हमेशा third party नहीं होता guys. The betrayal is not always I'll do something behind your back. Betrayal is literally on the face front, a person not being able to really recognize who you are. And आपको ऐसे लगा कि did you even know me ever? क्या आप मुझे जानते हो? क्या तुम मुझे कभी भी समझ पाते थे? ऐसी एनर्जी है, right? So I want to end this reading on a nice positive note. So let's do a message of the universe for you. Message of the universe क्या है आपके लिए? Let's see. In this current situation, what is the message of the universe for you? You may feel stuck or fearful, perhaps even in despair, thinking there's no way forward. This is an energy that reassures you that the path starts with you. So true, so true. Remember, I saw this quote on Reel, and I'm sure you guys have also seen it. There's an interview, and this interviewer is asking me that, when there is an unrequited relationship, unrequited means one sided, who is actually like, what is your advice? What is your quote? Like, what is your opinion? एक person को पूछते थे वो, and the person says that the one who is in love will always win. And that is what I want to tell you and I want to leave you with. You had love for you to offer, you will always win. Because remember, you are a person who can always fill people's cups, and people will come begging for a cup towards you. You can pick and choose who you want to give to. And I'm sure that this energy, this person has really made you recognize who to trust and who to not. You are not the one who has failed in this relationship. आप कभी भी मत सोचना कि आप फेल हुए हो इस रिलेशनशिप में. जो फेल हुआ है वो है जिसने आपके प्यार को रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाए, जो आपके प्यार को कुछ और समझ बैठे. You are the one who changes your own life, and you are the one who can lead forward in everything in life. So I'm going to leave you with this actually. I'm going to leave you with this beautiful ending that you wanted. Maybe this is the closure that you wanted, and yes, this is what it is for your reading. I hope I was able to help you, and I really want this reading to resonate. Even if you have if you have not resonated now, I still want you to watch it, because maybe this is something that you need to know about your future as well. Maybe this is a guidance only, एक guidance की तरह लेना, seriously लेना. And yeah, this is what it is from my side. I hope I was able to help you, and I wish you all the very best. And please do support me. Please like, save, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And if you want to book a personal reading, my in all information is down in the description below. And yes, I will see you very very soon. And yeah, I think just one thing, I will have some like I will be a little up and down, so consistency थोड़ी सी ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है, but don't worry, as and when I'm able to get time, I will be able to record a video. Please don't hate me for not being able to be as uh, as regular as you are expecting me to. In this week शायद थोड़ा up and down हो सकता है, but I will keep you updated. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.